Hello again, it's Matthew with Finsanto Automotive. Air conditioning. Not only is it nice, but it's almost a requirement here in San Antonio. So we get it. When the air starts blowing hot, it's worse than not blowing at all. AC can be explained easily. It uses pressure and a special substance called refrigerant to move heat from inside the cabin to the outside. In order to accomplish this, there are four main parts, apart from the hoses and the refrigerant: the compressor, condenser, evaporator, and expansion valve. Most of these parts are easy to get to, except the evaporator. It lives in a special box behind your dashboard. Now, what about the magical stuff inside the system? There are a few types of refrigerants, and they are not interchangeable, so the correct refrigerant needs to be used. The amount of refrigerant in the AC system is also important, as too much or too little refrigerant will make the AC system work inefficiently and possibly fail altogether, aka hot air. Now, why can the AC fail? The biggest reason is for a loss of refrigerant. Even a slow leak can make the AC fail, and these leaks let the refrigerant out, which means it won't go to the right pressure to work. It also lets regular air in, which doesn't work like refrigerant at all. Let me also say, don't use the cans of refrigerant from the parts stores. These cans have a sealant that can block passages in the condenser or evaporator, and often they don't fix the original leak. The best case scenario is that you'll have to go through a few cans every few months. Worst case is that you can create blockages that lead to large system overhauls. In addition, simply adding refrigerant to a leaking AC system will not fix the issue. At best, you'll have AC for a short time, but when the refrigerant leaks out again, the air will go hot. Here at Finsanto, we believe in fixing your car properly the first time, so we don't just top off the refrigerant, because that won't fix the problem permanently. Sometimes air stops blowing through the vents at all. This is likely a separate issue having to do with some electronics or the blower motor. So, what do we do when your car starts blowing hot air with the AC on? We have the special machines and tools needed to check the operation of your AC system, pull a vacuum on it, and check the exact amount of refrigerant in the system. This keeps the EPA happy. If the leak is big enough, we can find it right away. If it's small, we add a dye to the system that we can use to trace the slow leak. If the leak is super extra small, it can take a couple of days for the dye to work out of the leak enough that we can see it. In these cases, we top off the refrigerant and send you on your way with a follow-up appointment. When you come back, we can locate and address the leak. Maintenance on the AC system is easy. It's a sealed system, and it doesn't consume the refrigerant, so it doesn't need the kind of attention your engine oil needs. However, the evaporator works like a dehumidifier, and it has water condensing on it as it works. The water plus the cold dark box that the evaporator lives in is prime real estate for mold and mildew. Add in the fact that AC is not often used when it's cold out during the winter means that using your AC on the first warm day of the year can subject you to that awful smell of mildew. For your health, we recommend an AC refresh service once a year. We can certainly do it more often if you like. When we conduct this AC refresh service, we clean anything past the cabin air filter. Doing so means the air flows through clean vents even after the filter has done its job. A clean filter but a dirty vent still means dirty air after all. Keeping your air cold and your drive comfortable is one of the many services we offer here at Finsanto. Don't delay. Let us keep you happy and comfortable on the road. If you have questions or need us to look into your vehicle, please feel free to visit our website or call us at 210-684-2277. And remember, here at Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.